Jojo from Real Housewives of Durban posted this with her best friend, and it was of her with a swollen face. And her best friend said that when you didn't know that your friend has a nut allergy. But in my opinion, I feel like she did surgery. I don't think that that is normally like an allergy reaction. Otherwise, she wouldn't be this calm. She was definitely supposed to be in hospital if it was a reaction. Jojo has done plastic surgery, or rather fillers, on her face, including her husband as well. Believe it or not, including her husband, they have done plastic surgeries to make themselves look younger. And I wouldn't be surprised if she definitely came out and said, "This is not me. This is not the allergy. This is because of a surgery that she was doing." Like, why? Why do these people, rich people, put themselves in this shoes? Like, why? Someone tell me why. Like, I don't understand. Yo, Aisha, rich people, they don't know. They don't know how what to do with their money. At this point, they don't know. But yeah, in my opinion, I believe that she did surgery. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.